We're looking at pension expense with multiple years. Bayer & Company adopted a defined benefit pension plan on January 1st, 2018. The following information pertains to the pension plan for 2019 and 2020. We have service cost, projected benefit obligation, plan assets, company contribution, discount rate, and expected long-term rate of return on plan assets. There are no other components of Barron's pension expense. Compute the amount of Barron's pension expense for 2019 and 2020, and then prepare the journal entries. So for requirement 1, we will look at the service cost, then add the interest cost, then we'll subtract out our expected rate of return on the plan assets, and that'll give us our pension expense. And so we can just do 2019 and 2020 side by side here. And so for 2019, we have service cost of $160, and oops, I wanted no decimals here. We'll just go ahead and finish 2019 first, and then we'll jump over to 2020. So for interest cost, we have $120,000 times 8%. Expected rate of return, we have plan assets of $120,000 times rate of return of 8%, and this we want in the negative, and then we can do a sum, which will obviously still be the 160, but we'll just do the sum anyways for that 160. Then for 2020, we have a service cost of $172. The interest cost is our benefit obligation times the 8% discount rate. The expected rate of return, our assets times that 8% rate of return. And we'll pull over our sum. For $171,600. So now we have the pension expense for 2019 and 2020, and we can prepare the journal entries for each year. So we'll do December 31st, 2019. Pension expense, we just calculated as 160. Then let's look up here. The company contributed $165, and so we're going to have a $5,000 difference that will be a debit difference, and so that's going to be our accrued prepaid pension cost. And it looks like I didn't give us enough room. Then we'll have a credit to cash for that contribution. And so that $5,000 difference goes in the accrued pension cost. So then December 31st, 2020, it's going to be very similar. We'll have a pension. Let's just actually copy this down. We have a pension expense of $171,600. We have cash contributed of $175. And so the difference goes again in being debited into the accrued prepaid pension cost for $3,400.